Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT to write personalized and time-saving emails, whether it be for your boss or whether it be for your friend. ChatGPT can help you write the perfect email in just a few seconds. So let's dive right into the video. So what makes ChatGPT so great? So ChatGPT basically acts like a virtual writing assistant that can help you with writing tasks. So basically, ChatGPT can write text, emails, or whatever for your boss or for your friend's note. So let's see how this works. Let's dive right in and let's write an email for your friend or for your client or for your boss. To make this video fair and simple, I'm going to break down this video into two steps. First, I will share with you a few tips and tricks to how to generate your response as effective as possible. Number two, I'm going to show you how to generate your response, as in how to interact with the ChatGPT and generate your email. Things that you have to remember. The number one, so the first thing is that the prompt. The prompt is very important. Now, what is the prompt? The prompt is the text that you input or the text that you enter into ChatGPT, and after that, the ChatGPT generates information. So, the way you write the prompt is very important. So, in order to write a good prompt, just be concise with what you're looking for or how you want the output to be. Output means the text that is generated from the chat GPT. So you want to be careful with the prompt. So you want to be concise. That's number one. Number two is that you need to proofread. Now, what does proofread mean? Proofread means that you need to actually read through the information that ChatGPT has given you and you need to see, is it the right information that you need? If not, you can regenerate that information and you can ask ChatGPT for the same information again. Maybe you need some different information. That depends on your requirements. So just ask the way that you want the information, okay? So this is how you do it. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to head over to ChatGPT. So as you can see, I'm at ChatGPT over here, and if you if you're having trouble to find this link, I'm gonna link this in the description down below. And also, if you want to do it from Google, you can just do it from Google as well. So what you want to do is you want to go over to Google. You can just type over here chat.openai.com, and you can also do that on the Google, but that's gonna show you the OpenAI website. And then if you do it on the top taskbar, it's just gonna get you to ChatGPT directly. If you do it on Google, and then it's just gonna take you to the website, and from there you have to access ChatGPT. So now this is how we do it. So right now we're at ChatGPT, as you can see from here. So now what we're gonna do is we're just gonna ask ChatGPT to write an email. So for example, I'll just tell uh, I want to write an email to my friend, or we'll just do to my boss, that I am not coming to the office tomorrow. Sound formal. So when you are actually typing in your prompt, this is very important because this is going to decide how the output is going to be. So if I were to type here casual, it- the email would sound casual. If I were to type formal, then the email would sound formal. So the prompt that you have over here is very important. This is how the output matters. So just click on that button or just click enter. So that's going to generate the prompt, and that's pretty much how you do it. So as you can see, this saves so much of time. You don't have to you don't have to be a word wizard, and you can just access this email and you're good to go. But before you actually do this, there are going to be some changes that you're going to make into this. For example, what you see over here, you got to put your boss's name over here, and you got to change this date over here. So you can just copy it exactly, and then in the email you can change it. So for example, you're just going to copy this, okay? And for example, I want to send an email, so I'll just click on compose. So then I'll just choose an email address. For example, I'll just type in, and then I'll just control V. So the subject line actually goes on the top, okay? So we're gonna do that, and I'm gonna do this, leave this, and so replace the date with today's date. So we'll just say today is 22nd of November 2024. Now we'll just replace the process name. For example, we'll say do. So now you can change this date again. I hope you guys understand what I'm trying to do. So basically, wherever you see these brackets, right, you can always change that, okay? You can always change that. So I'll just say, now there's one last thing that we need to change, which is this. So So this is going to be the reason why you're going to be not going to office tomorrow, but this depends on your case, whether how you want to write up your email. I hope you guys can relate. If not, let me know in the comment section down below. So I'll just tell the reason why I cannot go. I'll just say XYZ. Okay? So that is it. Now your email is ready. That's it. Just click on send and you'll be good to go. So writing emails is not complicated or stressful. It's just that you gotta take action and you just gotta implement AI. So you could use ChatGPT to write emails that can help you be more productive and which can also save you a lot of time. So if you think that this video was helpful, let me know in the comments section down below. I will be waiting for your comments. So if you think that this is actually a time saver, go ahead and implement this. Give it a try. Let me know if it works for you. Let me know if it suits you, if it suits your schedule and your ethics. So give it a go, take action, and let me know in the comment section down below. Until then, that's it for today's video, and we'll be catching up with you guys in the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Peace out. So writing emails is not complicated or stressful. It's just that you gotta take action and you just gotta implement AI. So you can use ChatGPT to write emails that can help you be more productive and which can also save you a lot of time. So if you think that this video was helpful, let me know in the comments section down below. I will be waiting for your comments. So if you think that this is actually a time saver, go ahead and implement this. Give it a try. Let me know if it works for you. Let me know if it suits you, if it suits your schedule and your ethics. So give it a go, take action, and let me know in the comment section down below. Until then, that's it for today's video, and we'll be catching up with you guys in the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Peace out.